Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Hollow Knight Silksong Unity error or crash on your PC. First, open your browser and search Visual C++ Redistributable Runtimes all-in-one. Click the link from Tech Power Up's website. That's the official trusted source. Once you're there, scroll down and click download and choose any server. It doesn't matter which one. After it finishes downloading, right-click the zip file and select Extract All, then click Extract again. Now open the new folder and you'll see a bunch of VC setup files. You can install them one by one, but the easiest way is to double-click the install all.bat file. That will automatically install all the necessary Visual C++ packages your game needs. Once that's done, restart your computer, then launch Hollow Knight Silksong again. That's it, the Unity error should be fixed. If it helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes.